Yo, what's up guys? It's Onyx back again with another unboxing. This is another special one from someone I've been talking to for a little while now. I'm trying to get one of his decks for a bit. Oh, wow. Cool Pokemon card. Alright, so this is from a brand called SleptDecks. Let's check it out. It's a 29 millimeter. Got the Playboy graphic at the bottom. Really nice. I like how he packaged this with the Pokemon card at the top. Let's open it up. Right. Got a sheet of grip. Looks like 1 millimeter grip. But shout out to bro for sending some grip with the deck. And here she is. So seems like, yeah, very mellow concave, very mellow to no concave. Not really what I've been writing lately, but it'll be cool to give this a try. Kicks seem to be medium. Let's see as compared to my aesthetic. Okay. Medium low on the kicks. Not really what I've been writing lately, like I said, but we'll give it a try. It's always good to try different things. Really love this graphic though. Really sick. So yeah, shout out to SleptDecks on Instagram. Alright, so you know the usual hardware. We got the 29 millimeter G4s, Wi-Fi, and I'm gonna be trying these for the first time from Rocco's Fingerboard shop. These are some 65D urethane bowl wheels. I have the minis. These are like the smallest minis in the world for fingerboards. These are from Rocco and they're really good. So I decided to try the bowl wheels this time around. Yeah, they're really, really good. See a decent squeak and grip on them. Love that. So I'm assuming that these will have the same squeak and grip feel to them since they're the same durometer. You know, I'd assume same material, just bigger. So we'll try these, see how they look. And yeah, that's pretty much it.
Over a year reading the thesaurus to get the name.
There was, this one was like concrete molds I bought off eBay.
Concrete?
So I went on eBay, yeah, it had like, it looked like a real skateboard mold, like rectangular, made out of concrete. It had like a wood top glued on top of it and base so it wouldn't crack the concrete in the molds.
Okay, these wheels seem like they might have a bit of overhang, so might have to swap them out for some different wheels. These might have to go on another setup. I do have another set of, I believe, 5 wheels. Let's see. All right, let's try these. I'm gonna make a video on this storage / travel case. Interesting, there's still some overhang. Okay, I have one more set of wheels I can try. Let's see. I think these are also from Rocco's Fingerboard shop. Okay, these look somewhat better.
What is it for now? It's in that overhanging